What's up everybody, it's Steve for Talking Couch Project, and today's guest is super random. What's your name?
Elmar.
Elmar. You're still a student?
Yeah, Çanakkale.
Oh, okay, but you are traveling around the world.
Yeah.
How long?
Now 6 months.
Okay, six months. Now,
English is not so good.
and this is what I want to talk about today, guys, about the language barrier, about dreams, that if you really want something, not necessarily have to possess all the tools, all the needed skills to achieve your dreams. You may get them on the road. When did you learn English?
Before foreign language, I don't know. In a way, чуть-чуть по-русски, чуть-чуть английский, человек диалог. Сейчас not so good English, чуть-чуть по-русски.
And this is the interesting part for everybody, I suppose. How did you learn the language? How did you learn English? How did you learn Russian?
Просто диалог. Человек диалог.
So since you left Turkey traveling,
Yeah.
speak
Speak.
to the locals.
Yeah.
So guys, what he's saying is that actually he didn't even speak English earlier before he started to travel. He hadn't known any foreign languages. Some Azerbaijani because his ethnicity is Azerbaijani, Turkish clearly, but he had no idea about Russian, no idea about English language. And now he's been on the road for 6 months. And Elder, how long you're going to travel?
I don't know. Now 6 months after go Baykal, no, Astana, Baykal, Irkutsk. Yeah, I want. Mongolia, Japan, Japanese, Thailand, Vietnam.
Okay.
After go Bangladesh, India. I don't know.
How long do you want to travel, Elder?
I don't know.
Okay, no plan.
No plan no.
Okay, tell me this. How much money did you have when you left Turkey?
Turkey, home, go out, no money.
Okay.
I am работает.
Yes.
Работает.
I was working.
After buy
Backpack?
bag, tulum, palatka,
Yes,
Spanish
tent,
tent, yeah,
sleeping mat. GoPro.
$2,000. $2,000. After go out home.
Yeah. No money. Okay. So you left home. He left home without money. It's insane that he started to travel with such a time frame, like no time frame, without any money in his pocket. Okay, Elder, this is like I love it already.
So after cafe, hostel, restaurant, работает 3 months. Uncle,
Before, yes.
but I don't know.
Yeah.
Gift me guitar.
Awesome. So 2-3 months ago he got this guitar from a complete stranger. Before this guitar, did you know how to play?
2 months playing, 2-3 months playing, straight playing guitar, people money.
So he's basking on the street. He left Turkey without money, and now he's basking on the street to sustain himself. How much money do you make one day? $1 или
Доллар. Очень хорошо.
Okay.
Сейчас, если что, здесь работает
Да.
казак человек.
Да.
3,000 тенге. 3-4,000
Да,
тенге.
один дня.
А я 10,000. 1000, this is 1000, 10,000. For me, good.
It's good. How old are you?
23, 23.
23. The reason how we got acquainted is that yesterday he was playing on the street, and as we went for a walk, we bumped into him. I saw his sign. He was asking for money to travel all 5 continents. We stopped for a second, chipped into his dreams, and gave some chocolate. Started to talk. Turns out he's a couch surfer. Other 2 couch surfers joined, and eventually we realized that he has no couch surfing host because the person who was going to host him ditched him. And anyways, I just offered him afterwards that, hey, if you want to crash at our place, feel free to do so.
Arkadaşlar, seyahat etmek gerçekten ama gerçekten çok güzel. Yani cesaretinizi toplayıp, ya bunu ben yaptım diye demiyorum. Aslında daha yolun çok başındayım ama gerçekten ya elimde tuttuğum gitarı da az çok ne kadar biliyorsam yolda öğrendim. Yemek karşılığı bir yerlerde çalıştım, hostelde çalıştım. Bilmiyorum. Çok güzel. Yani bunu çok Instagram'dan da yazıyorlar işte. Nasıl yapıyorsun? Keşke benim de senin gibi cesaretim olsaydı gibi ama gerçekten ya bunu yapabilirsiniz. Bilmiyorum, bana öyle geliyor. Bunu yapılabilen bir şey. Bu zorluklar ve o zorlukların ardında o kadar güzel şeyler duruyor ki aslında. 4 saat otostop çekiyorsunuz, sizi kimse almıyor ama 4 saat sonra duran araçtaki tanıştığınız insana diyorsunuz ki iyi ki de 4 saat kimse durmamış. Yani öyle bir şey. Mesela öğrendiklerimden bir parça çalacağım. Çok sevdiğim Siyah Band'den çalabilirim. So?
Devlet dedikleri